In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to watch Netflix on your Amazon Echo Show. The first thing you need to do is link your account. To do this, ask, "Computer, open Netflix."
Here's Netflix.
Press sign in. You should now take your phone and scan the QR code. Select your profile and press sign in to TV. From here you can select your personal profile and you've got Netflix. You can scroll through the programs or press the search button. Or if you want, you can ask, "Computer, play Stranger Things."
Getting Stranger Things from Netflix.
You can also open Netflix by scrolling down, selecting TV and videos, then you'll have the option to play Netflix. It really is as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.